y'all? Preston with Snoobaroo. Snoobaroo's right there. And that's what we're gonna work on today. Got a little project I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be putting one of these brand new Odyssey battery, currently being charged, into this. That's right, folks, that's a diesel. This is the Eco Diesel 3.0 liter by Jeep, my girlfriend's. That battery is El Chateau, so it's time to put a new one in. Odyssey battery hooked us up, and we're about to get this going. Stay tuned. You want to start it? Please. She's still grumpy. 1 cup of coffee. That was a moment of truth, bitches. Sorry. PG. Oh yeah. Pure diesel, baby. Odyssey battery. Odyssey battery. You guys need power, you need batteries for your vehicles. I don't care what you drive, check them out. Right here, Odyssey battery. Great people. This is Preston. Love y'all. Hang loose.